Hey there! Welcome to your grammar video for this week, Unit 2, Green Listening. In this lesson, we're going to talk about modals of advice. Let's get started. A few things you'll need to know to understand this lesson is what is a modal verb, also what is a base verb, and what is advice. If you don't know those things, take a moment to look them up and then come back. So again, in this lesson, we're going to talk about the modals of advice should and ought to. We'll also talk about the negative shouldn't. We'll also talk about modals of strong advice, or had better. We'll talk about the negative had better not, and how to form contractions using had better. As a reminder, modal verbs go with a base verb and they change the meaning of a verb. You have to remember that modals have different jobs, and this week we're talking about giving advice and strong advice using modals. Again, as a reminder, advice is simply a good idea, something to do or not do, and strong advice is close to must, but there's still a choice. So to use the modals should and ought to give advice, in a statement you start with the subject, followed by the modal, and then the base verb. This would be the same structure for ought to. We have some examples. He should say thank you, or he ought to say thank you. They should be on time, or they ought to be on time. Again, in these statements, they have the same meaning. Should and ought to can be used in the same way to give advice. However, when we use the negative, we do not use ought to. So for example, your structure should be as follows. Start with the subject, should not or shouldn't, and then a base verb. Let's look at some examples. You should not say bad words, or you shouldn't say bad words. They should not be late, or they shouldn't be late. To give strong advice, we can use the modal had better. So again, had better is stronger than should and ought to, but it's still advice. The person receiving the advice can still choose. In statements using had better, the structure is as follows. Start with a subject, followed by had better, and then the base verb. Let's look at some examples. You had better study before the test. They had better protect their personal information. As a reminder, had connects with all of the subject pronouns. Now, to use the negative, we simply add the negative not after had better. Looking at the structure, we start with the subject, followed by had better not, and then the base verb. Some examples. He had better not cheat. She had better not share her personal information. As a reminder, you can form contractions using the subject and had. For example, I'd better, you'd better, we'd better, they'd better, he'd better, she'd better, or it better. To ask for some advice, we only use the modal should. Again, looking at the structure, we start with should, followed by the subject, and then the base verb. For example, should I study? And in WH questions, we'll start with the WH question word, followed by should, then the subject, and then a base verb. For example, where should I go for vacation? Take a moment, pause the video, practice writing some questions. Now, let's take a practice quiz. Pause the video, answer all the questions, then press play and we'll talk about your answers. Question 1. Yusuf blank make counterfeit money. It is illegal. Again, because it's illegal, it's something we do not want to do. So we need the negative, and C, shouldn't, is our answer. Question 2. They blank better not give their passwords to strangers on the phone. Again, we have a clue. In this statement, we have better. We know that it connects with had, so B is the correct answer. Question 3. Abdullah blank be suspicious. There's no reason to worry. Again, if there is no reason to worry, we need the negative. We don't have to be suspicious, so C is the correct answer. Question 4. You blank to ask an expert about the best ways to protect yourself from identity theft. Again, if we look at the blank, we have a small clue. We have the preposition to, so we know that to connects with ought to. So A is the correct answer. Question 5. Blank, I call the police if I see something fishy. Again, here we have a question, so we know we should use the modal should for questions, and D is the correct answer. That's it for this lesson. I hope it was useful. Class dismissed.